Hello students, in this video we are going to learn all the three different methods to solve mixed fractions. So let us first write a mixed fraction. Usually we write mixed fraction as 3, 1 upon 2. So 3 halves is a mixed fraction. So in a general form we can write it as W, which is the whole part, times numerator divided by denominator. So this is our mixed fraction. To solve or to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, we do whole number times denominator plus numerator divided by the denominator. So here for this example it will be 3 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2, which equals 3 times 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so that's 7 upon 2. So this is how we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now let us discuss the three different methods to solve mixed fractions. Three different methods to solve mixed fractions are: number 1, convert to improper fraction. So let us learn all these methods using an example. So let us take an example where we add 2 1/3 plus 4 1/5. And so first we'll convert mixed fractions into improper fractions. So this will be 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 4 times 5 plus 1 divided by 5. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3 plus 4 times 5 is 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 5. From here we can further solve it using the LCM method or the cross multiplication methods. Let's do the cross multiplication method and multiply the numerator of first fraction by the denominator of second, and numerator of second fraction by the denominator of second, and multiplying both the denominators. So this is the easiest way by which you solve improper fraction. So this will be 7 times 5 is 35 plus 21 times 3 will be 63 divided by 3 times 5 is 15. Add the two numbers, 5 plus 3 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, so 98 upon 15. Now if you need it, if the answer is in mixed fraction, you can convert this into mixed fraction or you can leave it like this. So this is going to be our final answer for this type of mixed fraction. So here in the first method we have converted the mixed number into improper number, improper fraction, and added the fraction. Now the second method is to separate the whole numbers and fractions. Let us understand this method using an example. So in this example, let's take 2 1/3 plus 4 1/4. So here, as the name suggests, separate the whole numbers and fractions. So we can write this as 2 plus 1/3 plus 4 plus 1/4. And now we'll separate the whole numbers, 2 plus 4 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. So 2 plus 4 will be 6 plus, and let's add 1/3 and 1/4 using our LCM method. So this is going to be 3 times 4 in the denominator. In the numerator it will be 1 times 4 plus 1 times 3. So this is 6 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 12, or 6 plus 4 plus 3 is 7 divided by 12, or 6 can be written as 6 upon 1 plus 7 upon 12. Let's add the two numbers using the LCM or the cross multiplication method. So this is 1 times 12 in the denominator. Numerator will be 6 times 12 plus 7 times 1, which equals 72 6 times 12 is 72 plus 7 times 1 is 7 divided by 12. 2 plus 7 will be 79 divided by 12. So we can leave it like this or can further simplify to get the answer in mixed fraction. So this is the second way. So the first way was to convert the numbers, to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Second was to separate the whole numbers and fraction. And the third one is decimal method. In the decimal method, let's have two mixed fractions like 3 1/4 plus 1 1/2. So here we can write it as 3 plus 1/4. First we'll break the whole part and the fractional part, plus 1 plus half. As these are easy fractions, so we can convert these fractions into decimals. So 3 plus 1/4 will be 0.25 plus 1 plus half will be 0.5. So this will be 3 plus 1 plus 0.25 plus 0.5, which equals 4 plus 0.75, which equals 4.75. So this is our final answer. So this is one of the ways in which we can convert mixed fractions into decimals and can solve it easily. This decimal method can only be done when the fractional part is easy. So these were the three methods of solving mixed fractions. Let's take a recap. So first we have learned how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then there are three methods. First method is to convert it to improper fraction. And then we'll solve them as we do with the improper fraction by taking the LCD or the LCM or by the butterfly method. Here we have used the butterfly method, which is to multiply the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of the other, and for the denominator we have to multiply the two denominators and solve it further. This is one of the methods. The second method is to separate the whole numbers and fractions. Here in this example we have separated the whole part and the fractional part. The whole part will be added as is, and for the fractional part we have used the butterfly method. And the last method was the decimal method, which we can use when the fractional part of the fraction is easy and it can be easily converted to decimal. So these were the three methods of solving improper fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.